Hey y'all, Chad here with Elise, and we're standing in front of
the waterfall.
The Waterfall, one of the coolest features here at the pool at the Holiday Inn Resort Panama City Beach. Tell us about it.
It is absolutely beautiful. We're right in front of our lagoon-style pool, which is huge. You can be in here with a ton of friends. But we have this beautiful waterfall that's behind us that you can see and hear. It's nice and relaxing, gives you a beautiful vacation sound. It feels like you're on a tropical island.
It really does. Look at this, y'all. How cool is that? Do y'all want to see the rest of the pool? Let's give them a look around.
It is beautiful.
Dun, da, da.
Ready for all the guests to come out and enjoy today.
This place is awesome. It's beautiful. And I want to go swimming.